Here's a super easy meal to make that I call Perry's Quick and Easy Stir Fry. And best of all, it's delicious. Here's what you'll need: a frying pan, a spatula, cooking oil, pre-cooked chicken pieces, canned corn, canned potatoes sliced, Diana sauce or a favorite sauce of your own, extra spicy Mrs. Dash or a favorite spice of your own, Uncle Ben's Bistro Express microwavable rice, calorie-free sweetener or sugar, and margarine or butter. Now, you want to start off by preheating your burner to medium heat. Put cooking oil in your pan. Cut up your chicken and add it to the pan. Then add your potatoes and canned corn. Remember to stir often. Throw in some margarine or butter, some Mrs. Dash, sweetener or sugar. Then add your Diana sauce. Remember to keep on stirring. Microwave your rice. Only takes a couple of minutes, so that'll be pretty quick. Once that's done, add the rice to the pan and mix it in. And in no time, you've got a delicious, quick and easy stir fry. Perry's Quick and Easy Stir Fry. Try it sometime.